Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install pgadmin4 on Linux Mint 22. But the process is same on all Linux Mint versions. First open any web browser. Go to pgadmin official website, that is pgadmin.org. Click on download. Select the apt, scroll down. See, these are the commands needs to be run to install pgadmin on Linux Mint. Open terminal, install public key repository, copy this line, copy it, paste it, hit enter. Then create the repository configuration file. This will throw error. Let me show you the error and resolution. Copy it. See, it has thrown error. Okay, the solution is so paste it instead of this CLS, remove this up to this dollar, then give the noble, give the space, hit enter. I will keep this command in the video description. It is done. Now see, the prerequisites done. Now we have to install the pgadmin4. See, here we have the two modes, one desktop and web mode. If you want to install both the modes, you have to run this one. If you want to install desktop mode, you have to run this one. If you want to install web mode, you have to run this one. So I want to install both the modes. Copy this one or simply type sudo apt install pgadmin4. There must be no space between pgadmin and 4. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, its size is 222 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. After download, it will install the pgadmin server. See, installation has been completed. Now go to start, search for pgadmin. See, here we have the pgadmin4. Let me maximize it. See, if we expand, we don't have any servers. Okay, so let us add PostgreSQL server. If you want to install PostgreSQL server on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Click on add new server or right click on the servers, then register, then select server. Then provide name. Name can be anything, PG16, but connection, here we have to provide host name or address of the PostgreSQL server installation machine. Okay, see, host name is type host name, or you can give the IP. This is the IP. Okay, or you can give the local host. Anything is fine. Okay, I am giving localhost because it is installed on this PC. Port number is 5432. Maintenance database, you have to select the database from the PostgreSQL server and the username. Then provide the password of this user. So then click on save. Expand it. We have successfully connected databases. See, I have only one database, that is R2schools. Even you can verify the same. Sudo su-postgres PSQL \l See, I have only one user database, that is R2 schools. See, here we have the same. If you want to create database, right click on this databases, select create, then database, and provide the name for the database, test1. Click on save. If you go back to the terminal, Q to quit, again type \n. See, new database test1 is there. Okay, Q to quit. This is the one way. Exit. Again exit from this user. Now see, we have installed both our modes, but we have to configure the web server. So to configure that, we have to copy this command and execute. See, this is desktop mode. So for web mode, we have to run this command. Hit enter. Provide email address. I am giving r2schools.com. Email can be anything, but you have to remember the email. Then provide the password for this email. Not email, just for the login purpose. Type 5, again y. See, this is the link to connect to web mode. Copy it. Copy this one. New tab. Paste it. Hit enter. Here, instead of 1207, you can give the host name or IP also. Okay, give the mail ID, whatever. Click on login. Never. See, you got the same screen like here. Now we have to click on add new server, then pg16.4, then same, give the local host. Instead of here, we have to give the existing username, postgres admin, then provide the password. Not only here username, you can give any username. If you go to desktop mode, you can find the list of the users. See here, login are roles. See, I have these many logins are group roles. Okay, so click on save. See, you have successfully connected. See, databases. See, we got the same number of databases as desktop mode. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install pgadmin4 on Linux Mint 21 or 22. For more Linux Mint or PostgreSQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.